Welcome to a breathtaking journey across the surface of Mars in stunning 8K resolution. Today we soar over one of the most captivating geological wonder on the red planet, a repelled crater that reveals secrets of Mars' ancient past. Sit back as we explore the alien world like never before. Our destination today lies within the Martian highlands, an ancient impact crater nearly 40 kilometers wide. What makes this site extraordinary isn't just the size, it's the ripple-like pattern stretching across the basin, etched into the dusty terrain over millennia. Geologists believe this ripple are the remains of ancient sediment deposits, possibly formed by wind erosion, dust storm, and integrally past water flows. This area might once have been a lakebed, hinting at Mars' wetter past, a time when rivers flow and lakes seemed under a distant sun. Craters like this one were born from high-velocity asteroid impacts, blasting over rocks and dust across the surface over billions of years. Wind sculptured and reshaped the crater floor. The ripple formation we see today are a geological fingerprint, one that records Mars' complex environment history. With the latest satellite imaging from NASA's Ceres camera aboard the Mars Resilience Orbiter, we can now observe Mars' incredible 8K clarity. Every grain of dust, every ancient drone, every fractured rock tells a story, now visible with a stunning precision. These ripples are more than just visual features. They are close by analyzing their size, direction, and distribution. Scientists can estimate wind speed, climate cycle, and even determine how long liquid water may have lasted in the region. It's like reading a diary written in a dust. The idea that the crater might have once held water raises an even more profound question. Could life have existed here? If microbial life even evolves on Mars, place like the crater, rich with the sediment and the settled macro environment, would be prime candidate for investigation. In the year ahead, missions like NASA's Mars Sample Return and future human landing could target craters like this. Their preserved geology may hold chemical signature of an ancient life or reveal how once a habitable planet turned into a frozen desert. Mars still holds its secrets locked in rocks, dust, and time. But with each new image, each new flyover, we can come more step closer to the uncovering the story of Red Planet. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. In the cold silence of space, 140 billion miles from the Earth, a crimson world spins, silent, ancient, and waiting. Today, you are not just watching; you are flying across the landscape older than any known civilization. We saw ever Martian, created, captured by time and touched by mystery. The Martian sky welcomes us with a dusty heaven, temperature here deep below -60 degrees, then air, a whisper of carbon dioxide, unbreathable yet vital to shaping this world's surface. This is what we come to see, an unnamed crater located near Mars equator, assembly frozen, but as our views sharper, we can see it's alive with a geological detail. Ripple, dunes, and sediment ridges stretch across its floor like waves frozen in time. Billions of years ago, water once flowed here. The crater formed a violent impact, become a catchment for sediment, mineral, and possibly microbial life. Over time, climate shift turned liquid into a vapor, and wind took over the dominant sculpture. The ripple you see formed by ancient guests recorded in dust. Notice the fine texture. These ridges are only a few meters high, but they tell story of wind patterns, of the sand migration, and of Mars' long dry breath across the ocean. Without river or rain, the Martian surface is shaped by dust and wind. Over centuries, these elements etch and erase landscape like an individual painter, and what remains is masterpiece covered by erosion and silence. To scientists, this ripple field offer more than beauty. They are data-rich environment, close lie in every contour, evidence of Mars shifting climate, possibly even the story of ancient magnetic field and atmosphere loss. What lies beneath the ripple? Instruments suggest layer of salt, clay, and possibly ice. This subsurface clues and could answer questions about water retention or even the preserved organic material from Mars' early day. NASA Perseverance rover, operating not far from the region like this, is collecting a sample to one day return to Earth. These rocks may tell us if Mars was even ever habitable, and it ever emerged beyond Earth. One day, boats may touch these soils. These ripples might crunch beneath human footsteps. The crater could become a site for exploration, shelter, or even the agriculture beneath domed habitat. Mars is silent, but its surface speaks volume to those who listen and those who dream. This ripple crater is in time and dust is a whisper from another world, and now it whispered to you. Thanks for flying with us until time. Stay curious and keep looking up. So guys, this is all about the crater that I have discussed in this video. If you like, more video or more topic like this, so please subscribe my channel, comment on the channel that you need this video, and let us know so that we can create more topic related to this video, and we can add more picture in the video so that you able to understand how the Mars life in the past. And there's a lots of searches going on, so maybe in future we are going to see lots of evidence on the Mars that the really there's a life exists on the Mars or not. This is one of the highlighted topic as of now that we are that whole world is talking about. So we need to wait some more time to see how the mission helps to find out the ancient lives and all things. Thanks, and thanks for the watching for my videos. If you have any question, you can paste in the chat. Thanks.